All right, this is the 22nd of December, 2023, and it's Friday, and we have some news coming out at 8:30, and right now it's 8:12 Eastern Standard Time. Uh, we got more news coming out at 10, new home sales, revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. So I think it's probably a good idea to just lay low until after, at least till after the 8:30, and then always remember this is coming up at 10 o'clock. Things are looking bullish right now in the pre-market, and yeah, it's above. It's everything's pointing up, but that can change too with the news. So I'll come back in a little bit and see what happens. See what is happening after 8:30. All right, the news is out. Look at it. It went up and it's coming back down. I'm just gonna let it shake out. The DMI, this is a 15-minute chart here. The DMI is looking bullish still. The MACD looks like it's trying to curl down. And the squeeze, the TTM squeeze, I think it's undecided. I don't know. Uh, I don't know if it's going to go make new highs or not. It's coming. It could be a inside day too. So, but what I wanted to point out on this right here is they threw in a lot of liquidity up here at 48.25, way up there. So the big guys are having orders sitting here for 48.20. You got 544 orders. Now that's not contracts, that's orders. So I don't know how many contracts are in that order, each order. So just throwing it out there. These are my trading notes. This is what I go back to check out to see what decisions I made for and the reasons I made them at the time. And on the cumulative volume delta, it is positive right now, but that could change too. So I'm just going to wait and see if the market will take a direction. All right, so excuse me, it broke. That was a good little trade right there. I did not take it. It was too much risk. It was probably a 6 point risk, but that is a perfect candle. I don't even know what it's not called a tweezer, I don't think, or something like that, or maybe a hammer. Uh, to buy along above that. But once it broke that high it initially made, what I'm looking for is at least a one candle, red candle pullback. And if it breaks above that high again, it will hopefully have some juice behind it to keep going. So here is the plan right now. This is the 15-minute. Everything's bullish, looking bullish. Um, I've put a buy stop order above the high, which is the high is 0450. And then if it does fill me, I will put in a stop below that 99. That's kind of a long stop for me too, but I'm just looking forward to hopefully have that pressure to buy to keep going up, maybe hit that liquidity that's sitting way up there at the up to the 20. I don't know yet. We got to get past this R1 first. That's kind of a little stumbling block right there. So I'm going to freeze it right now. Real quick here, they just put in a bunch of liquidity up here around 08, 10, that area, way before that, 25 and everything. So that should be the magnet for it to go up. This is the book map, and that's kind of what I'm gauging on. This cumulative volume delta is very bullish right now, so we'll see if they can push that thing on up there. All right, so I just got filled. I broke that high, and I put my stop right below that low right there at 99. I got it in at 98.50, and let's just see if they have the push up there. Looks like they want to. Looks like there's guys up there willing to sell. I will come back though in just a little bit. Yeah, at least it's not selling off. So I got that going for me. Okay, so it's almost 9 o'clock, about 3 minutes away. All this liquidity right here at 10, I've moved my take profit down to 10 exactly. I think I'll probably try to front run it just in case it hits 10, and it could keep on going up, but I'll put it in at 975. So if it hits 10, I should get filled, or I will get filled most likely. So but anything can happen. Um, so that's kind of the strategy I have right now. I'm up $100 in each account. I've got two accounts trading right now on with a trade copier, and we'll just see if they can push it up. Now there's that resistance. This is the R1 for the E-mini here, the ES E-mini. It's hit it and it's staying right there at it. So I probably should have taken one off, but I don't. Well, I only have one on. But if I had more than one, take one off at the blue line there. But the thing is what I'm looking at is that doggone liquidity up here. And it's pretty strong as far as I think they want to get up there. Now in CBD, the cumulative volume delta is looking pretty good. We just need to make another bull run up here and see if we can take it out. I'm going to freeze it right now. Okay, I'm up about $100, so I went ahead and moved my stop up to break even plus one tick. So I'm trading with their money. Excuse me. Uh, it's looking like it wants to go on up, and I moved my take profit up above the 10. I want to see how the play action happens here because they just put a little more liquidity up here at 11. So and then you still have that up at 17. I'll just let them play their game here. If it starts stalling, if it makes it to 10, we'll see. It may come down and stop me out. Um, I want to see the back and forth action here. Because like I said, right there, 1125, you got 207 has been added. So you got more liquidity coming in if they just keep adding it up to bring it on up. Or I may get stopped out. I don't want to speak too soon. So I'll pause it. All right, something else I want to mention here is, and these are my trading notes. It looks like it wants to drop back down. Too much pressure, I guess. I really felt it was going to go on up because of this cumulative delta is heading up. This there were a lot more buyers at the market than there were sellers just a minute ago. I mean, it was pounding them. So it could still go on up, but now they're getting caught at that daggone line, which is they're definitely something you got to take note of. That's the R1. Here's the main pivot point down here. But at least if I get stopped out, it's their money right now, so I don't have anything. I just don't like losing. Now this sound that comes on, I don't know if you can hear that. I've got it. That's the sound it makes when more buyers are stepping in at the market. These are all market buyers, and they're outnumbering the sellers 2 to 1 at least. Maybe at least 2, almost 3 to 1. So it should be moving up. And then when I've got a little sound effect on here when the sellers are outnumbering, it sounds like a drum, like you're hitting drumsticks on a can or something. But everything is showing that it should be going up. That's why I'm holding to my guns right now, and just we're going to see what happens. So it's trying to make a run here. It's double the amount right here, million. You got 2 minutes now. It's even again. The buyers as the sellers. It's a tug of war. Think about maybe pulling the order. I thought it was going to just bust up there real quick, but didn't seem to do it. Even though the cumulative delta is going up, it's continuing to move upward. The market is opening in 15 or 17 minutes. I may just go on and pull this thing because it could, let's see here. Let me pull the order down to 850, 0850, hopefully. Maybe they'll get another run up here quick. I don't like to lose profit. I mean, if I can make $100, I probably should take it. It's just the back and forth right now because the market hadn't opened yet. I'll freeze it and see what happens here. So I got stopped out with a $12 profit, and it came right down and hit it and then backed up. It's in this little zone here. We have 13 minutes or so before the market opens. It still has the liquidity up here. I've just put an order in to buy it above that little high right there. So this is the 15-minute chart, that red candle. I've got the order in at 08 1/4, and then my stop will go below this low of this green candle right here. So if it gets filled. Adam Mancini, I don't know if I checked his Twitter thing, and he says he was looking for it to go up to 48.10, which is that number where all those orders are sitting, and a few more above it. So, like I said, we got all this up here, and looks like it wants to go up there. Now it's just a game of back and forth. Okay, the market's open. I just got in again above that little high there, and it looks like it wants to go up. It hit 10 where all that liquidity was, or resistance, and now it's battling. There it goes. I've got my order in at 13 1/4. Let me see if there's anything else up here. Yeah, I might just go up to 15. Let's put it at right below 15. I'm gonna move my stop up to break even. That may be a little premature, but I don't care. I like to save my arrows. If it's got the push, it'll go on up. Yeah, let's see. Come on, fellas, take it on up. See, it's 12. Yeah, it's got a lot of cumulative volume delta is really up there now. And the liquidity is sitting up there at 17. I don't know. I don't want to get greedy either. So if we can just start, buyers kick in a little more. Let's see what we're looking here. It's pretty even right now. I may pull my order. I'm up 162 right now. Okay, it just doubled. So got twice as many buyers almost. Well, let's see if it keeps pushing up here. And these are buyers at the market. And we got some liquidity there at 11, right at 12. It just broke through it. I think it's going to go up probably to 15 because that's just a psychological number. And I've got my order in at 14.50. Let's see. Come on. Let's see if we can pull it on up, guys. Keep pushing. They're starting to bring in liquidity down here. CVD. Okay, they just put in a bunch here at 12.50. I'm 13. I don't want, like I said, I don't want to get greedy. I may be pulling this pretty quick here. If it can't break through, okay. Oh, shoot. I think I missed my spot to get out. I'm going to put it right there at 12.75. Bring it back down, see if I can get. Let's see. The thing didn't work. Let's see if it could bust up there. It's definitely looking bullish still. That can change quickly. Yeah, I don't like this look right now. See if the buyers can kick back in.
Order filled.
Well,
Order canceled.
I got burned on that one. Didn't take my profit quick enough. Lesson learned. Hopefully. No, it's never learned. You always want to get that extra profit. So I'm up 37 bucks. Oh well. I'll see if something else comes up here. Oh, I'm about out of time. Okay, guys, I'm almost out of time on this video. It's only lasts 15 minutes. So I got in again. I took profit right there at 14.75. It hit 15, and I'm up 187 in both accounts. So I'm done for the day. Hope you had a good trading day. Thanks for watching. Hope you watched this far. Give it a like if you would, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.